Hi friends, this is going to be a valuable information for all the hair loss patients who are looking for hair transplantation. No one tells you this information. You cannot even find it online. I am going to share some important information. I am going to keep it less boring and more interesting. Hair transplantation is a minor cosmetic surgery that doesn't require any downtime, meaning you can go to your work the next day after hair transplantation. However, the success of hair transplantation depends 50% on your doctor and 50% on the patient himself. By following some simple tips, you can turn an average hair transplantation into a super successful hair transplantation. The information in this video can save you a lifetime of research and helps you choose the right doctor and right clinic and get best out of your hair transplant surgery. I will give you simple steps to make the hair transplantation a super success. First of all, do you really need a hair transplantation? You need hair transplantation only when you have lost more than 40% of your hair or the hair density is less than 30 grafts per square centimeter. In my opinion and research, hair transplantation is the last option that you should consider. Before that, you should try the natural methods and alternate methods to regrow your hair. Our channel has a wealth of such remedies, so try them before you think of hair transplantation. If you still want to go for hair transplantation, maybe due to personal reasons like you're going to get married soon, or you want to impress your girlfriend, or you want to have more confidence in your career, then this video can save a lifetime of your research. Well, the fact is that the hair grown due to hair transplantation is going to be permanent and stay there forever. I'm going to talk about some important tips that you should do before your hair transplantation. Number one, do not fall for advertisements. Nowadays, everybody has started doing hair transplantation. You find several clinics, beauty parlors and beauticians claiming that they can do the hair transplantation. It is like on every other street, there is a clinic that says hair transplantation done here. Never ever go to such clinics or beauty parlors. Hair transplantation is a surgery that only experienced and most skilled doctors can perform. You have to look out for the real doctors and real surgeons who are very well trained in this field. Number two, do your own research. Hair transplantation is nothing but moving the hair follicles from one area to the other area. Typically, the hair follicles are moved from the donor area, which is the back of your head, to the top of your head, which means they're just shifting your hair from one end to the other end. So there is no new hair, it is just your own hair. So you have to do a lot of research, because if you put your head into wrong hands, you may also lose the existing donor hair. I can help you with that research. There is one site called hairrestorationnetwork.com. I'm going to share the link of the site in the description. This is a wonderful site. It evaluates all the doctors who are doing hair transplantation and it identifies the best and most qualified doctors. You can also find the real patients who post their hair transplantation progress photos. These are the real patients and real people, so you can chat with them and ask them any questions if you have. So from this site, know the best doctors from your country and look for their recent results. Recent results are very important because these doctors might have done very well in the past, but they may not be doing really great now. So you should look for the doctors who are doing consistently good and have better latest results. Spend a minimum of 15 days on this site. This 15 days of research is going to help you a fortune. There is another site called hairlosstalk.com which also gives you similar information. I am going to share that link also in the description. Number 3. Select the best doctor. Once you have identified all the doctors in your country and the best qualified doctors, you need to pick one doctor who can do the best for you. So for that, you need to run through this checklist. Number 1. Look at the patient results in the forums I mentioned and talk to the patients if possible. Number 2. Look at the post-hair transplant care that these doctors or clinic is providing you. Number 3. Ask them how many surgeries they are doing in a day. Some doctors do more than 2 or 3 surgeries in a day. If they are doing more surgeries on the same day, you may not get the proper care. Number 4, check if they are performing FUT, follicular unit transplantation, or FUE, follicular unit extraction. The FUE is the latest method and many people and many clinics are offering these nowadays. Number 5, check if they are using advanced tools and techniques like DHI, direct hair implantation, or DHT. If they are using advanced tools, it's an indicator that the results are going to be better. Number 6, look for consistency in their results, if there are any failures or all the results are successful or not. Number 7, check if the doctor has a good team. Usually, the hair transplantation is performed by a group of nurses and doctors under the supervision of a main doctor. So, if the team is big and good, then you are going to be in the safe hands. Number 8, look for the cost they are charging per graft. Usually, if all the factors are good, then the cost is not that important because this is a lifetime event and you are going to do once or twice in your life. Number 4, talk to the doctors. Based upon the previous points I mentioned, you might have come up with 2 or 3 doctors who are doing very well in your country. Now it's a time to talk to them. Don't be shy. More than 60% of hair loss patients do not talk to their doctors clearly and end up with unexpected results. Send your photos and fix an appointment with the doctor if possible. Know more about the doctor, post-operation care, and how much they are going to charge per surgery and all those important information. Also, when you meet the doctor personally, he is going to draw a hairline that's going to give you an indication of how you are going to look in the future. Number 5, shortlist and select the doctor. It is very common to end up with 2 or more doctors who are doing best in your country, and you may not be able to decide on whom to go with. Make a comparison chart and put up all the points we discussed to see who is the best doctor for you. Number 6, plan the date. Once you have finalized the doctor and the clinic, call them and set up perfect date for your hair transplantation. In this case, you don't select the date. Ask the doctor to give the best date for you. Usually, the doctor goes through his vacation list, availability of staff and several aspects and comes up with a best date that is working for him. Go for the same date. Don't choose weekends. On the weekends, nobody likes to do extra hard work. The same thing goes with the doctors too. Also, on weekdays, it is easy to find alternate nurses and doctors if anyone is absent on that day. Number 7, medicines. Once you plan the date and time, you are all set. 1 month before hair transplantation, stop using any hair growth and hair regrowth treatments like finasteride or Propecia or minoxidil or Rogaine, because they can give a false impression of thickness and the doctor may not find the real bald spots. So it is recommended to stop any hair growth treatments 1 month prior to your hair transplantation. Number 8, stretch exercises and scalp exercises. Do regular exercises every day like walking, jogging, playing a game or things like that. This helps you to keep fit on the day of surgery and also helps you to recover faster. Not only that, there are special scalp exercises that can help a lot before the hair transplantation. Place your palm on the sides of head as shown and try to move the skin on the top of scalp in circular motion. Do this for 5 minutes. Now place your palm on back of head and move your scalp skin up and down slowly. Do this for 5 minutes. Repeat this exercise once in the morning and once in the evening from 3 weeks before surgery. These scalp exercises increases the elasticity of your scalp and makes it easier for the extraction and transplantation of the follicles for the doctor. Also, it makes it easier for you to recover. Number 9, diet. Take regular diet. Eat more fruits, vegetables and protein. Feed on salads and healthy food. Cut down junk food or fast food. Don't focus on weight loss at this time. Eat as much as you can. Let's fix one problem first. At least 2 weeks prior to the hair transplantation, avoid smoking and drinking. Number 10, stress. At least 2 weeks prior to the surgery, don't take any stress at work or at home. There is a 15% decline in the hair growth results with the patients who underwent stress before and after the surgery. So be calm and quiet and get at least 9 hours of sleep. Number 11, shampoos and hair packs. 2 weeks before the surgery, don't try any herbal remedies or any strange hair regrowth remedies because they may cause unnecessary infections. Also, avoid strong chemical based shampoos. Try to use mild shampoos or baby shampoos during this time. Always keep your scalp healthy and clean. If you do all these 11 things, there is absolutely no chance that your hair transplantation can go wrong. You have done the best from your side. The rest is assured. After you follow these tips and with a good doctor, I can bet you will get 30% better results compared to other patients who have not done the similar homework. Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos.